Hey beautiful people, in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve this critical error on a website, like this type of error. Sometimes we are try to new thing in a website, but sometimes make like this type of error. So I love to solving any kind of error, WordPress error. So that's why I just making this new problem solving video. Okay, so alright, so if you see my front end, I think it's right, but the back end, if I want to delete any plugin or add new any plugin, and anywhere I just click on anywhere, then I'll see like this type of error. So there has been a critical error on your website, please check your site admin and email box, like this. Okay, so I think you understand, like we got a new error, so how to fix that thing. So as you can see, our header not working as well. So if you want to solve this, you need to go to your cPanel. Okay, so I just go to my cPanel and log in my cPanel, select file manager. When you click on file manager, then you need to find out your specific domain name. Okay, so I think my domain located in subdomain, and my domain name is 2.yourdeveloper.website, like this domain. As you can see, this is my domain. So what okay, so click on this WP content, because recently I installed a plugin like Nullet plugin, so that's why it's making error, or it's this plugin from like this error. So okay, so click on this plugin button, and we need to find out this plugin, because this plugin make this error. Okay, so I think this plugin, I just click on this delete button. And if you don't find out your plugin, so you can easily delete all plugins. So as a wish, I don't want to delete all plugin. I just reload my website. I think it's now fine. Okay, so then you'll see it's working as well, and everything it's okay now, and everything okay now. So I think you understand that how to fix that. If you don't find out any specific plugin or theme, so what you can do, you just delete all theme and plugin. So don't worry about this. So delete all theme and plugin. So if you want to delete any kind of specific theme or all theme, you can easily delete here. Just click on this WP content, and here as you can see this themes option, just click on this themes option. Then you'll see your total your total available themes. Okay, so if you, as you can see, my server located only for one theme now. It's now Astra. So if I want to delete that thing, so I can delete this. So if you want to delete this, just select first and click on this delete button, and click on this and click on confirm. Then you'll see it's delete. Okay, if you're new here in my channel, so please consider and subscribe my channel. Thank you.